Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore an in-depth analysis of the factors that indicates that learning UX design in 2024 may not be as promising as it has been in recent years. While UX design has undeniably been a popular and highly sought after field, it is important to take into account the evolving technology landscape and job market dynamics. But first, subscribe to my channel, I have a lot of useful videos. Let's begin. The growing popularity of UX design has led to a highly competitive job market. As more professionals enter the field, securing desirable UX design roles may become increasingly challenging due to the limited number of available positions. In addition, the rise of technology and digital transformation has created new opportunities for UX designers to specialize in areas such as mobile app design, virtual reality experience, and voice user interfaces. This diversification of the field has further intensified the competition among UX designers as they strive to stand out and demonstrate their expertise in these emerging areas. Junior UX designers may face challenges in meeting these expectations, as they may not have enough experience, portfolio, or network to effectively showcase their value and potential. Additionally, they may encounter difficulties in finding their niche due to limited exposure and opportunities to explore different domains and projects. Therefore, it is crucial for aspiring UX designers to continuously update their skills, stay informed about the latest trends and technologies, and build a strong portfolio that showcases their capabilities and unique approach to user experience design. In the field of UX design, the tools and technologies used are in a state of constant evolution. This pivotal change brings to exciting opportunities for innovation and creativity. Designers are constantly challenged to adapt and stay updated with the latest tools, techniques, and workflows. However, its ever-changing landscape also demands a significant investment in learning. Designers must be open to continuous learning and be willing to embrace change in order to thrive in the field of UX design. Stagnation is not an option in this fast-paced industry. The rapid evolution of design tools in UX design presents both challenges and opportunities. On one hand, it can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest trends and investment. New tools and technologies emerge regularly, and designers must invest time and effort to learn and master them. This constant learning process can be time-consuming and requires a proactive approach. On the other hand, this dynamic environment offers immense potential for growth and innovation. Designers who embrace the ongoing evolution of design tools position themselves at the forefront of their field. They have the opportunity to explore new possibilities, experiment with novel approaches, and push the boundaries of what is possible in UX design. To become a good UX designer in 2024, it is crucial to continuously stay updated with industry trends. This includes keeping an eye on emerging technologies, design methodologies, and best practices. A strong foundation in the fundamentals of UX design is essential, but it is equally important to adapt and evolve with the changing landscape. We have covered topics such as tools and competition, but there is one crucial aspect that we have not yet discussed, which is applicable for all designers. This pertains to the third point in our video, automation and AI. The rise of automation and artificial intelligence technologies poses a potential threat to the future of UX design. As AI continues to advance, it may be capable for handling certain design tasks, reducing the demand of human UX designers. While AI can't fully replace human creativity and empathy, it could significantly impact the industry's job prospects. For example, AI-powered tools can generate prototypes, wireframes, and even design layouts based on predefined parameters and user feedback. This automation can save time and effort for designers, but it also raises concerns about the future role of human designers in the creative process. Another factor to consider is the evolving landscape of technology and its influence on user expectations. As technology advances, users become accustomed to seamless and intuitive experiences. AI technologies have the potential to analyze user behavior, preferences, and patterns to create personalized and optimized user experience. However, it's important to note that AI is not a perfect substitute for human designers. While it can automate certain tasks, it lacks the creativity, intuition, and empathy that human designers bring to the table. Design is not just about aesthetics and functionality, but also about understanding and meeting the needs and emotions of users. Human designers are able to empathize with users, consider their unique perspectives, and create experiences that resonate with them on a deeper level. In conclusion, while the rise of automation and AI technologies may pose challenges to the future of UX design, human designers will continue to play a vital role in creating meaningful and impactful user experiences. It is through the combination of human creativity, empathy, and technological advancements that the field of UX design continue to thrive and evolve. When considering a career in UX design, it is important to be aware of the potential limitations in terms of the career growth. Unlike more established professions, the field of UX design may not offer the same level of advancement opportunities. This is particularly true in organizations that already have well-established UX design teams, as there may be fewer positions available for individuals to move up to high-level roles or leadership positions. To overcome these limitations, UX designers can take proactive steps to continuously build their skills and knowledge. This can be done through ongoing learning and professional development, such as attending workshops, conferences, and staying up to date with the latest tools and techniques in the field. By demonstrating a commitment to growth and staying ahead of industry trends, UX designers can increase their chances of securing higher-level positions and leadership roles. Ultimately, the decision to pursue UX design career should be based on individual interests, passions, and long-term goals. While there may be limitations in terms of career growth, the field of UX design provides a unique opportunity to have a positive impact on user experiences and create meaningful and user-centered products and services. By remaining adaptable, proactive, and continuously learning, UX designers can navigate the challenges and maximize their potential for career growth. Your time is incredibly valuable. In this video, we extensively explore the essential skills that a UX designer requires, emphasizing the fact that mastering them can be a time-consuming process. Time undoubtedly stands as our most precious and irreplaceable resource. When working in large corporations, it is not uncommon to dedicate months to a single project, consistently receiving revisions. This practice can present a challenge to your professional development as a specialist, as your focus becomes centered on earning a living and finding relaxation after a demanding day of work. It is of utmost importance for you to adequately prepare yourself for these obstacles and any other potential difficulties that may arise along the way. My objective is to ensure that you never reach a point when you realize that the time is slipping away and you're left feeling incapable of making a career switch. Such a realization can be truly disheartening, and I genuinely wish to help you avoid this outcome. It is important to note that these points should not discourage aspiring UX designers, but rather provide a realistic assessment of the field's future prospects. Ultimately, the decision to pursue UX design in 2024 should be based on the full understanding of the industry, personal career goals, and the passion for creating meaningful user experiences. Remember, even if the landscape of UX design may change, the skills and principles you learned in UX design can be transferable to other areas of design and technology. Stay adaptable, continue learning, and embrace new opportunities that may arise along the way. Best of luck in your decision-making process and future endeavors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with other designers. See you in the next video.